If you work anywhere in New York City for any employer, today, April 8th, 2020, the minimum wage is $15 an hour. If you work in Long Island or Westchester County right now, this year, the minimum wage is $13 per hour, and that will rise to $14 an hour on December 31st of this year, and then will rise to $15 an hour on December 31st, 2021. If you're working right now anywhere else in New York State, the current minimum wage is $11.80 an hour, and that will rise to $12.50 an hour on December 31st of this year. Now, the federal minimum wage, of course, is still $7.25 an hour, an appallingly unlivable wage that amounts to $15,000 gross pay on an annual basis, and that is indeed a gross number, and you can't live on that or be expected to live on that in these United States. And when it comes to overtime, which is another related area that employers often get away with ripping off employees of time that they're entitled to. If you work in New York State, even if you're a salaried employee, that doesn't mean anything. Employees are either exempt from overtime laws or non-exempt. And those who earn $58,500 a year, a minimum of $58,500 a year, and who work in executive, professional, or supervisory administrative roles for a company are indeed exempt from overtime laws. But if you are not that, if you make less than $58,500 a year and you work in New York, and you're not a professional, a so-called executive, or a managerial administrative employee, you're entitled to overtime. You don't need to be hourly. That's a misconception. And these figures are way higher than the minimums required under federal law. So lots of people are not getting paid overtime that should be getting paid overtime. This is Jack Tuckner. I'm an employment lawyer based in New York. If you have any questions about your own wage and hour issues, please give me a call, an email, a text, and we'll chat together about how we might be able to resolve or help you in this wage theft situation that you're experiencing.